Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Zulay Magia espresso machines, right? Both seem pretty high-end.
Yeah, exactly. Price-wise, they're actually pretty close. The Zulay is listed at $849.99, and the Breville is $799.95 on sale, normally $999.95. So not a huge difference there.
Right, but look at the features. The Zulay boasts 19 customizable coffee recipes. That's way more than the Breville.
True. The Breville focuses more on letting you create and save up to 8 personalized coffees on its touchscreen. It's simpler, maybe? I mean, do you really need 19 options?
Maybe not need, but the Zulay also has 10 user profiles you can save. That could be handy in a house with lots of coffee drinkers. And it uses a stainless steel conical burr grinder.
The Breville also has an integrated conical burr grinder, but it doesn't specify the material. However, it does have a faster heat-up time, only 3 seconds thanks to its thermojet system. Zulay doesn't mention heat-up time at all.
Good point. Quick coffee is always a bonus. What about cleaning? I hate cleaning espresso machines.
The Zulay has an auto-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe parts, which sounds super convenient. The Breville comes with a cleaning kit, but no mention of auto-cleaning.
Zulay's definitely winning on ease of use then. One thing though, the Breville has almost 4,000 reviews with an average of 4.4 stars, while the Zulay only has around 500 reviews with a 3.4 rating.
Oh wow, that's a significant difference. Maybe the Breville's been around longer and has had time to iron out any kinks? Zulay's date first available is July 2024. Breville's available since September 2022.
Could be. Size-wise, the Zulay is quite a bit deeper at 22.04 inches compared to Breville's 12.66 inches. That might be a problem for some kitchens. Also, the Zulay is heavier at 28.6 pounds versus Breville's 21.8 pounds.
So basically the Zulay offers more customization and easier cleaning, but it's bulkier and has lower rating. The Breville is simpler, has a better rating, and heats up faster, but you'll have to put in a bit more effort for cleaning.
Sounds about right. It really depends on what you prioritize. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.